I trade it like this. I go in SPX, and I don't know what I'm going to do today yet. But let's just, for giggles, say that we put on a trade. All right, I'm going to go to today, and I'm just going to throw on a random trade. All right, so let's say I buy the 3690, 3700, 3710 butterfly for 95 cents. I am going to do, I don't think it's $2.25. So I'm going to want to pay about $1 for this. All right, and this is paper money. This isn't real. All right, I got filled for $1. So I've got this trade on. Now, why did I only want to pay $1? Because I care about payout ratio. Right? On this butterfly, for one butterfly, if it lands directly on 3,700, the butterfly closes at $1,000. I paid $100 for the fly. That means my profit would be $900. That is a payout ratio, and this I care about, of 900 divided by 100. It's a payout ratio of 9-to-1. My last butterfly, the one that I'm going to talk about the exit strategy, my last butterfly is going to pay me out. If we pin means landing on our target, $900, 9-to-1. All right, so now I've got my fly on in paper. It's fake. Let's remember that this is not real money. First thing I'm going to do, almost immediately, I'm going to put in an order to sell half my butterfly at $2. Why $2? Because if I sell if I buy 4 for $1, and then I sell 2 at $2, I now own my butterflies for free. Now, next step, I'm going to lock in a profit. I'm going to sell one butterfly. I'm going to offer one butterfly at $3. Now, when that hits, the worst I'm going to do is 75%. Now that I've locked in 75%, if I want, I can just sit on this position and watch it try and go to 3,700 on the nose. On the nose. If that happens, I make my $900. Now, can I sell early? Yeah. On Friday or on Monday when I had my trade on, right? I made 100%. I made 200%. My last trade, my last fly expired worthless. At the about 2 minutes prior to the close, I said, hey, we should just take our money. And then the market just tanked before I could get out. So I can close it at, within a couple of minutes of the close, this fly might be $500 or $600. I can take that money, or I can see if it's going to pin. And that is one of the things that I love about the way we're trading these. And I think the best part, and I was actually talking to a former very high up at a large market making firm about an hour ago. All right. And by high up, I mean C-suite. had the same kind of similar background to me, was a market maker, slowly moved up. And he was actually he and I were talking about the way I'm trading. And he goes, so let me get this straight. You get to go home every night with no position and you don't have to worry about delivery because you're dealing with SPX. I was like, yes. And then we were talking about tax. He goes, wait, you get, as a retail trader, you get that tax treatment? I was like, yeah. He was like, man, you got it made. I wish I could pull him on and have him talk about how amazing this approach is. But he was just in absolute awe. We talked about it for about 10 minutes, and he was like, that is just astounding. This happened an hour ago. I'm not kidding you. My time with CJ's show got interrupted for about 15 minutes. So this is just, an absolute gift, because after the close, I don't have any positions anymore. My day is done. Win or lose, nothing I can really do about it. And so I move on. I go to the gym, take my kids to baseball practice. I'm done. It's stressful am I stressed for an hour and a half? Yeah. But then the bell rings at 3:00 and it's like, okay, we're done. It's awesome. I love it.